Thanks for turning up the video and welcome to my channel. So, I know I've been lately uploading videos. I haven't turned up YouTube and haven't upload videos. So, again, here I am trying to make a new video, trying to explain you a new chapter which is Zero Hour, which is written by Alexander Blake, and it's class 7 English Gulmohar. As you know, I just explain you guys English. I'm gonna soon explain you science, maths, and social and whatever. I'm gonna do that very soon. So it's about a young boy. It's about the main character. Sorry, the main character is Bobby, and he is a young boy whose father is Mr. Scandal, and his father is a scientist. His father works in Buffalo Flats. So by accident, young Bobby discovered that a rocket is no, he lives in Washington, so the rocket is is going to the moon, and he also wanted to go to the moon, so he tried to make his mind to go to the moon. So father means Bobby's father. He had already gone when Bobby woke up, and this disappointed Bobby a little because father was the main person who was a scientist, and he was going to make the flight, make the rocket go, and always Bobby wanted to see his father, but he didn't got to see his father, and that disappointed Bobby a little. And this was a big day for Bobby and also for his father. Bobby father would go to the project early. Always his father always go to a project. Goes to his you know office very uh, early. And at 4 o'clock, the Bobby shivered deliciously at the thought of it. Now, when he was eating breakfast, was very, very quiet, and he was very glad that his mother was sticked with some work. Occupied means was sticked, busy. She was busy. Now, he because he was happy because he didn't need to talk to her, because she was so strict with works that she didn't pay any attention to Bobby, and so he didn't need to talk. And as he was a small child, he would spill the secret of going with his father to the moon. Now might spill something secret, and even he could also let the big secret spill, and this would be terrible. All things were secret in Buffalo Flats. Buffalo Flats was the place where Bobby's father worked, and he was the second, biggest scientist in the Buffalo Flats. John Kendall, his name was John Kendall. Bobby's father's name was John Kendall, and he never discussed with his all things were secret in Buffalo Flats. Everything was secret, and it was even not spilled out with his family. It was there was really something to sit there eating breakfast knowing. So he knew that father was going to moon with a rocket. He knew that there was the rocket would go to the moon. Now he knew the lunar project. She would naturally not dream he was going. So his mother would never dream that Bobby would go with his father to the moon. And the thrill was over. Final secret was too much to bear. So it was very too much to bear that the small little child will go to the moon. So Bobby got up from the chair after his breakfast, and mother said that, "What do you think? What is your plan today, young man?" Young man means what she was referring to Bobby. Sorry, yes, Bobby. I always say Boggy. Davy Crockett or Buck Rogers. Now, it's like Avengers. They are two of the famous superheroes, and so that only. They are like fictional characters. Bobby Bobby had a quick thought that why not give her a hint of what he was doing. So he gave a hint that today I think I will go to the moon. Now, as he was a child, his mother thought that he was just joking. He was just he was imagining things, and he would always he of course she didn't took seriously Bob she didn't took seriously. Okay, so this was Bobby and this was his mother. So mother again, she smiled, she didn't took seriously, and she went to her work. Actually, she was reading something. Now just she said that just see your fuel mixture is correct, means just see your fuel is correct or not. Now I'll check it, mom, but I will not be home for lunch. Then she said, why, where will you be? I don't know. So then, mind your manners and thank you when you leave. So always we need to thank the purse. We need to thank before leaving. We need to say thank you, right? So, mind your manners and say thank you. That's the correct way of telling. So not the correct way, but it's the simplest way of telling. So when she watched Bobby, running to his backyard, then she said that you need to say thank you before leaving. So you need to remember your manners. Now Bobby, ran across his space rocket, tightening a screw here, doing something other, hammering a nail there, and um her mother was noticing her, and he would slip away whenever she would not notice her. He would slip away, ताकि उसके मम्मी को पता ना चले कि वो कहाँ जा रहा है. So the rocket was not bad. He thought that it was 6 feet long with two seats, a neat instrumental panel. So this a neat instrumental panel, two sets, a long rocket, but it was a child stuff, not ऐसा rocket नहीं था ना. Wait a second. It wasn't like that rocket. That rocket was a child stuff, right? So that only. That's the difference. Now, after he had found the way in through the sewer, he just slip off without paying any attention to his own ship. Ship means the rocket. Now he was casually going out to the back gate. किसी को ये वो इस तरह से जा रहा था ताकि किसी को पता ना चले. And he turned left. He kicked the pebbles like he was all free, and he tried to look that he had no place to go. But he was very careful that he don't want to barge into his friends today, because अगर उसके friends मिले तो they will of course tell him to play, and he need to go there. So yes, the way through the seaway was a place behind a laboratory B. There was a alley that nobody ever walked, and there was a round lid you could lift up and look under. So एक leather thumb, you would climb that. Bobby first, he hadn't had the courage to go there, but then after thinking overnight, his curiosity went big, and he wanted to go there. He uh, w- he called a sewer. Because of sewers. So he called it a sewer because sewers are also underground, right? Nala wala to underground hota hai na, to wahi. But the place was very clean. It was not like a sewer. It's very clean and had bunches of fire strung in every direction and faint little lights you would go. So he found a big dome where there was building the rocket was very sleek, beautiful, and shiny, and he just looked at it. Then through the gateway in the floor that was for air circulation and something. He first didn't knew that वहाँ पे moon rocket बना रहे थे, लेकिन when he had gone several times to just stare at it, then he knew that uh, one day he just looked. One day, two scientists were coming, and this funny part was that they were still talking very. They were whispering, okay, and from the two scientists, one of them was his father. Then he wanted to call out that father, where are you head to, and many more. But he caught himself that उसके पापा को पता चल जाएगा ना. So that only. and they were still whispering. That was very, they were still whispering. In fact, they were in the office, the safest place, but they were still whispering, and it was very funny. So they spoke in very low voices. He had known now for 3 days at four. For 3 days, he went for 3 days, and now he knew that at 4 o'clock the roof would open, the dome would turn into a blast pit, and the rocket would shoot out through the space to the moon. He was sure for it, and neither of the man had said who was going on the first trip. And but Bobby was sure that father would go. Why? Because of course he was the second biggest scientist. He was the second biggest scientist in the Buffalo Flats after Professor Sklimmer himself. Because now why he was sure, because he was the second biggest scientist, and Professor Sklimmer was very old, and so he couldn't make a trip to moon, to another you could say planet, or you could say anything, um in the universe. And so that left to father. Of course उसके पापा तो नहीं जाएंगे ना, but then too there probably wasn't anyone smarter than his father to go to the mission. Now his idea of going with his father was born the previous year. आज का दिन था, कल पर कल को उसे पता चला. I'm so sorry for it. So that he found a large grating. Wait a second. Um, yes, he would climb out of day and dug into when nobody was looking. And he was quite sure that there was a place to hide until blast off. Wait, we have so much to do. Yes. So he thought he was scared, but after he thought that how proud his parents would be whenever they will realize that their child has gone to moon. So he made up his mind, and with a deep breath, he just went, and there was a little stamp and filled. So there was a little stamp, and kind of it would be a good place to hide. All right, so he found a good place to hide. So it was full of aluminium barrels. So it's the description of the place. It was very quiet, and but it was scary quiet, creepy quiet. And he set his lips firmly, but जोर से वो the lips को firmly रख रहा था. Then he was thinking of going to moon with his father. Now there was another scene there. So that was the moon. So John Kendall, he was very late in that night, and Myra was wife of John Kendall. He said that, did you see the big sky rocket? Means the rocket was taken off. Okay. How would I miss it, dear? Your supper in the oven. Supper means a खाने की चीज़ है, ठीक है. John lay back in his easy chair, आराम chair था ना वो, and he closed his eyes. With so he thought that he would make a little ceremony, but Washington means the governor of Washington, government of Washington said no, that simply light the fuse and just fire the thing. Thing means the rocket, okay? Is it still a big secret? No, of course not between you and me. So, but we fired at the moon. It will hit about an hour, and telescope will see a big purple spot and explosion go off. I see, lots of fun, no doubt, but what's the purpose? 4th of July on the moon. 4th of July is the um, Independence Day in Washington. So, if the experiment is success, the next flight will take with people. So, Myra, where's Bobby? In bed, I suppose. So, John Kendall moved, and he saw Bobby, and he was still, uh, you know, was still not asleep. So, बॉबी रोल्ड. अब बॉबी तो वहाँ पे रॉकेट में था, अब वो बेड में कैसे आ गया हम जानेंगे अभी. डैड, आई थॉट यू वेंट टू मून. नो, he just went through his son's hair and said, it's an old terra firma for me. Did you see the rocket blast? And it was really something. It went to the moon, didn't it? That's right. Smiled and thought, it's very, very difficult to keep a secret from his child, and it can be done. How's your moon rocket coming along? So he was also thinking of going to moon and taking making a rocket moon. pretty good ghee that as long as I didn't go, I'm glad I didn't go either. You are planning to make the trip too. So yes, means yes. I went, but I got to think about mom and how one of us should stay and take care of her, and if anything would happen. That's the answer. He just went to the moon. Sorry, he went to the rocket. He just said, but after he thought that father was also going and mother would be at home. He would be also going to moon. What will happen if mother, get a shock or something else? So he just stopped himself from going to moon and just slept. Smart thinking, son. Now get to sleep. I have a little time tomorrow. We'll play some ball. The ball se hum khelenge. That will be fun. John Kendall smiled as he left the bedroom. Children were wonderful. They were wonderful. If you give a few still boards and a steering wheel, they would buy a ship to fly to the moon. What a wonderful dream would they lived in. So children were very creative, right? देन टू बैड दे हैड टू ग्रो आउट ऑफ इट मीन्स दे जब बड़े हो जाते हैं तो कुछ और भी सोचना पड़ता है, ये सब उनके इमेजिन ड्रीम में ज़्यादा नहीं लिखना पड़ता है. So that only, that's very bad they grew up. So that was the father and son, John Kendall and Bobby. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Always click the bell icon after subscribing, and please subscribe my channel. And after subscribing, click the bell icon. You know why. And also, please like the video if you liked my channel, if you liked my videos, and if you liked my explanation. Thank you so much for watching. Stay home, stay safe, and stay hygiene. And yes, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas.